Yo, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids, and today again back with another PC build. Today I take you guys over a $400 Ryzen 3 2200G PC build. So if you're wondering why I get these APU builds again and again, I've uploaded about 5 of these, including this one, because everything else is just so effing expensive. Graphics cards on Amazon are just not there. Even the RX 560s and the GD 1030s and also the 1050s are gone. So you can actually not build a normal PC right now, at least for a decent price. And if you get something used or something, that's a totally different topic. But yeah, I try to improve on these APU builds and bring something for you guys which is value for money and will give you good price to performance, is upgradable, is future proof, and you'll have some good time gaming on it. So yeah, this is a $400 Ryzen 3 2200G gaming PC build. So in this video I take you guys over the parts you should get to build this PC, and also towards the end I talk about the performance numbers and also the future upgrades that you'll get. So other than that, all the parts that I talk about in this video will be linked in the description to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links as always. So if you want to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos, go ahead, buy from those. And yeah, with that being said, let's get started. For the CPU, obviously we have the AMD Ryzen 3 2200G. It comes with 4 cores and 4 threads. It's unlocked and comes clocked at 3.5 GHz on the base and 3.7 GHz on the boost. It costs $99 and comes with the Vega 8 GPU, and the 8 stands for 8 compute units and takes up 65 watts of power and has 6 megabytes of cache. This is a really good CPU for gaming on a budget. Now to house this CPU, we have the MSI Pro Series B350M Pro VDH. Now this is a really good motherboard for $70 with DDR4, HDMI, aim for socket support, USB 3.0, and has some really good looks as well. And this costs only $70 as I said, and will do the job. It's B350M, so you can overclock, and also has some upgradability in the future to Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7, as well as Ryzen 2nd generation, which is coming out soon. Now for RAM, we have 8 GB of Patriot Viper Elite. This is dual channel, so 2 4GB sticks at 2400 MHz. This is fast memory at $95. Now you can get cheaper RAM which will perform basically the same but will not look good as this one does. So I'll link that one in the description down below as well. So it's up to you. If your budget allows for this one, go for this, or that one is also there which is a little cheaper but the performance will remain the same. Now for storage, we have 1 TB of WDBLUE, 7200 RPM, 64 megabytes of cache, and 3.5-inch form factor. Now this is a SATA hard drive for $47 and a terabyte of space, so you can really not complain. This is really good value for money and it is very reliable as well. Now to power this whole build up, we have the EVGA 500 watt W1, which is a 80+ white certified power supply with 500 watts of power and comes with a 3-year warranty as well, and retails for $40. 500 watts should be more than enough to power this whole build up, and also for some future upgrades with graphics card, storage, RAM, memory, and also new CPUs. So you should not hesitate while buying this one. And $40 is kind of steep, but it will come down eventually. Now to wrap this whole build up and to pack in all the components, we have the CMMASTERBOX Lite 5. This is the ATX mid-tower case with a mirror front, also acrylic side panel. It has customizable trim colors and comes in a billion colors and looks good, has a lot of space inside for cable management and all the parts, and can support the beefiest of graphics cards as well. And for $39, this is not a bad case. And it's from CMMASTER, so it's again a reliable brand. So that wraps up the parts list. Now let's talk about performance and the future upgrades that you can do. In terms of performance, this is a $99 CPU, so you need to keep your expectations down. It's really good for the esports titles: Rocket League, CSGO, Minecraft, League of Legends, Dota 2, World of Warcraft, Team Fortress 2. All the games that don't require a lot of power will be playable, no problem, at 1080p 60 FPS. And you can tinker around with the settings a little bit to get the best playable frame rate and also the best quality. Now talking about the AAA titles, some of them may be playable at 720p or 1080p at the lowest settings, and the games which launched in 2012, 2013, they will surely be playable. GTA 5 is playable on this PC. And if you're thinking about Fortnite and PUBG, Fortnite will be playable at the lowest settings, or at least on the medium settings with decent frame rates, but PUBG will not be playable on this PC. I've seen the benchmarks and you can trust them. PUBG is not a game that this PC will be able to play. But if you add a GPU in the future, it will be a whole different story. But that's something you have to upgrade in the future. So a GPU is a necessity if you want to do anything more than esports gaming. And also you can add more RAM and also more storage into this build and make it your own. That's about it for the performance and the parts list. It's a pretty decent PC for $400. It's upgradable. It has a B350M motherboard, so you can go up to Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7, no problem. GPUs, if you can get them in the decent pricing, sure, go ahead, buy one. If you can get one used or offline for a cheaper price, sure, again, go ahead and buy one. But that's about it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this one. Thumbs up will be appreciated, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. In the comment section down below, leave your thoughts, your opinions, your questions, your queries. I'll always be there replying to you guys. That's been it. All the parts are in the description down below to Amazon US. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.